today's lesson. And for this afternoon, we are going to tackle about gamification in elementary learning environment. Okay, so, as teachers, one of the most challenging aspects of our job is motivating our students. Many factors can affect student motivation, including the difficulty of the subject matter, the individual learning styles, and external disruptions. So, keeping students engaged and interested in learning is a constant battle for us. So, what if there is a way to make it easier? And that's where gamification comes in. So, what comes into your mind when you hear the word gamification? Any idea? Gamification.
Okay. I have an
Yes?
idea.
Let's go. Yes.
My idea about gamification is that it is a game that we use in and during learning.
A game that is used in the teaching and learning process. Okay, awesome. Here is your map. And other idea? Do you have any idea regarding about gamification? Yes, Mr. Ivy?
It is using game features in application which is used or utilized in teaching and learning process to help students to be motivated while they are learning.
Alright, nice idea. Brilliant. So, gamification refers to the incorporation of game elements and mechanics into non-game context to increase user engagement and motivation. So, gamification, fortunately now, gamification has emerged as a promising tool for increasing student motivation in the classroom. So, gamification can encourage student progress and motivate them to participate and learn. Gamification uses game designs on elements such as points, badges, leaderboards, and rewards, and it is used to encourage active participation and makes tasks fun and enjoyable. So, understand what is gamification?
Yes.
Alright, so how does gamification help foster engagement or motivation in an elementary classroom? So, to better understand why gamification is so effective at motivating students, let's first look at the science behind motivation. So, motivation is a complex process that involves the brain's reward system. Like when we experience something pleasurable, like when we eat a parang aton favorite food like that, or when we are playing a game and we are on the verge of winning. And in that moment, in that particular moment, we are currently experiencing a pleasurable experience, right? So from that, our brains releases dopamine. When we say dopamine, it is a neurotransmitter that is responsible or that is associated for the rewards or yes, for the rewards. And the release of dopamine reinforces the behavior or the action, and that leads to a pleasurable experience. And because of that, it motivates us. It motivates us to continue or to repeat the action for us to experience that certain pleasurable experience. So gamification taps into this reward system by providing students with immediate feedback and rewards for their efforts. So let's take a look at this illustration. So as you can see here, when students earn or gain rewards by completing tasks, their brains releases dopamine, and then their actions and their behaviors are reinforced, resulting to behavior to parang they are motivated to repeat or to yes to repeat the action, and then the cycle continues as long as the learner or students still want to experience that measurable moment in the teaching and learning process. Alright, so in fact, there science and research have shown how gamification as a tool helps to increase the student motivation, engagement, and which leads to an improved academic performance. So here, according to a study, Gamification in Education, a systematic mapping study by Pereira et al., who will read. Yes, Ms. Gapato.
According to study, gamification in education, a systematic mapping study by Pereira, gamification was found to improve students' learning experiences by increasing engagement and motivation. The use of game mechanics shows that gamification increases students' motivation and sense of achievement. Additionally, the study found that gamification can be effective in promoting skills such as problem solving, critical thinking, and collaboration.
Alright, so from this study, we can see the role of gamification into the teaching and learning process, which is it helps to or it increase engagement and motivation within a learning environment. Okay, so furthermore, gamification also increases motivation by enjoyment, achievement, and by accomplishment. So let's take a look at them one by one. So starting from motivation by enjoyment. So who will read? Yes, Miss Neta.
Motivation by enjoyment. When students are having fun, they are more likely to be motivated to learn.
Alright, so in addition to igniting the brain's reward system, gamification can make learning more enjoyable and engaging by incorporating game elements into the learning experience. So teachers create a more immersive and more interactive environment that encourages active participation. So this engagement can increase motivation by making learning feel like less like work and more like play. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, so next, motivation by achievement. Yes, Miss Renovik.
Motivation by achievement. Rewarding students with gamification elements such as points, badges, and leaderboards can also motivate learners by creating a sense of achievement.
Alright, so when learners earn points or badges, they feel a sense of accomplishment. And in this way, gamification helps to increase student motivation to keep learning as well as for them to earn more rewards during the teaching and learning process. And next, motivation by competition. Yes, Ms. Bea.
Motivation by competition. Gamification can also motivate by creating classroom competition. Leaderboards create a sense of competition by allowing learners to see how they rank compared to their peers.
Alright, so in here, creating a healthy competition learning environment can be a powerful tool, especially for those students who are getting more highly motivated or engaged when they are faced with extrinsic factors. Like when we say extrinsic factors, like students are getting more engaged or motivated to participate in the teaching and learning process because at the end, they will receive a reward. Motivate its students. And so now, what will happen if we incorporate gamification into the elementary learning environment? Right. So since gamification is one of the best approach in fostering engagement and motivation in the classrooms, teachers and the schools have already utilized gamification elements into the curriculum and instruction design to engage students in a variety of subjects. So in fact, the competition, the teamwork, as well as the scoring gives the learners a goal to reach. And learning becomes more visible through the use of gamified elements like the points, rewards, badges, and the leaderboards. So students accomplish activities in which they advance to the next level. And this is a clear indicator of student progress or learning attainment. Right, so as for gamification in education, here are some of the most common gamification element that is used in education. So starting with the benefits and challenges of incorporating gamified elements into education or curriculum. So first is points. Who will read? Yes, Mr. Elasga.
Points. Points are the main valuable gamification. They provide immediate feedback, satisfaction, and reinforce positive behavior.
So in here, students can acquire earn points or rewards by completing a task or by simply participating in class discussion. And the rewards can be used to unlock new levels, achievements, and more badges. Next is the leaderboards competitions. Yes, Miss Cartamo.
Leaderboards competition can be used to motivate students to work harder and improve their skills.
Right, so in here, it encourages friendly competition. So, friendly competition among students as well as it motivates them to work harder and to improve their skills. Next is badges. Follow me. Yes, Miss Flores.
It can motivate them to explore new topics, push themselves to learn more, and gain sense of pride.
Okay, so badges are a visual representations of students' achievement. They can be awarded for completing a task or for mastering a skills and also for participating in activities. Next is missions. Yes, Miss Nina.
Missions. Missions provide students with a sense of purpose and direction. They give students a clear objective to work towards and can help students see the relevance of the material they are learning.
Okay, so the goals and mission can be used to break down larger learning objectives into more manageable tasks. And it can be used to teach or to track progress and to provide feedback to students. And now, on the other hand, despite of gamification being an interactive approach to education, it still poses some potential challenges that needs to be addressed. And here are a few to keep in mind. So first is excessive competition. So while a little competition can help to motivate students in a learning environment, excessive focus of competition may lead to stress and pressure to students. And next is potential for addiction. So just like with any other activity, there's a risk of excessive screen time or becoming overly dependent on gamified learning activities. And the last one is ethical consideration. Okay, so ethical considerations should be designed considering ethical considerations. It's important to avoid manipulative tactics or using rewards as the sole motivator for learning. The emphasis should always be on fostering genuine learning. Right. So next, what is the impact of utilizing gamification in the elementary learning environment? So, even though gamification has emerged as a promising approach to enhancing student motivation and engagement in education, gamification is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and its influence on education, student motivation and engagement can vary based on factors such as student preferences, learning objectives, and the design of gamified learning activities. So therefore, educators and instructional designers needs to be strategic in the implementation of gamification in the learning environment. They should always consider the context of the learner's needs. So I have here a video of a classroom that incorporates gamification.